When loading or removing sheets from a sheet metal rack, a common challenge is the smooth surface of the sheets, which attract each other and make separation difficult. Today, we'll introduce two methods. The first involves manual separation using a very common tool, a flat spatula. The operation is simple. Align the gap, apply force with the back end, and the stack of sheets can be easily separated. This method is suitable for any situation, but caution is advised as it may scratch the surface of the sheets. In automated operations, manual separation is obviously impractical. If the machine grabs two sheets at once, it could cause equipment interruption. This is where the second solution comes in. This is the magnetic separator, a widely used tool that effectively solves the problem of sheet sticking in automated loading. It works by penetrating the top sheet when the sheets are close together, creating a repulsive force between them. This allows the sheets to be automatically separated, releasing the attraction and preventing the lower sheet from being lifted up. However, it's important to note that magnetic separators utilize magnetic force, so they're only effective for materials that are magnetically conductive, such as carbon steel. They're ineffective against stainless steel. For temporary, manual separation of steel plates of any material, choose a flat shovel. For separating magnetically conductive steel plates on an automated production line, a magnetic separator is the perfect choice.